make a comedy movie. The first step to making a comedy movie is using good actors. The fourth step is to have good accents.
Jessica Atkinson, and I have a crush on every boy.
Pork!
Chop! Sandwiches!
Pork! Chop! Sandwiches! Pork! Chop! Sandwiches!
The last step is to have good action.
Pork, chop, sandwiches! Did you say something to me?
No.
You are lucky Jessica's holding me back! You better run, Austin! Go get him!
Yeah, checking out cameras, checking out cameras, checking out cameras, checking out cameras.